Most real estate agents and brokers that I meet only really have one source of income, and that's commissions from real estate sales. Now, if you could have multiple sources of income to make sure that your family was secure, why wouldn't you? My name is Al Stasek, and in today's video, we're going to go over the 4 sources of income that I've been able to add to my real estate portfolio passively so that income comes in on a monthly basis, whether I get out of bed or not. And before we get started, make sure that you follow me by hitting that subscribe button and turn your notifications on so that when the next video comes on, you'll be first to know. Now, there's really no such thing as a passive income. We use that word in the context of we're earning income by not trading time, our time, for money. So there's 4 types of passive income that we're going to go over today. First is private or hard money loans. Second is multifamily syndication deals. Those are some of my favorites. Third, we're going to talk about affiliate deals. These are deals that you can put together with companies that have products that you can actually, that maybe you've used to grow your business, that you can actually promote and earn passive commissions for. And fourth, we're going to talk about revenue share. So let's get started. Private money and hard loans. I know we've all heard of them. And so this is a situation where, let's say an investor would like to invest a portion of their money, but then they need another portion of the cash money to be able to buy a rental property or buy even a flip property. And I'm even doing deals for people that are wanting to buy properties and turn them into Airbnbs, and then they turn around and refinance and cash me out. Now, these deals are fun because all you have to do is fund the deal. Usually they pay between 8 and 12, sometimes even 14% on your money. And where are you going to earn that? So they're usually quick turnaround deals where you're going to end up funding the deal in as little as 3 to 6 months. You're going to get not only your capital back, but also the interest that you've earned on it. You never have to swing a hammer. You never have to worry about handling a contractor. It's pretty easy money, and I like those deals. Passive strategy number 2, syndication deals on multifamily buildings. And these are deals where, again, you have someone who has experience in not only finding good deals, they're finding the properties, they're handling the management of those properties. Sometimes there's going to be rehab involved. They're going to be handling making sure that the contractors are all there, and most of all, getting rents up. These are great deals because not only are you going to be able to earn passive income on these deals, but you also have equity that you're earning if you structure it correctly. And the last thing is your tax benefits that you get from these syndication deals. You're able to take advantage of the depreciation that you get because you are actually an equity owner in the deal. Number 3, affiliate deals. So I've been selling real estate for 24 years. And the last half of those years, I was running a team and even had a whole call center of agents calling outbound, making outbound calls and such. We used tools that were really, really great tools that we love so much. We ended up getting messages online from people saying, hey, what lists are you using, or what caller or dialer are you using, or where are you getting your data? So what we were able to do is actually put affiliate deals together with many of these companies that when we would refer them out, they would pay us passive commission deals. We also do that with a real estate school right now, where we don't have to teach any classes. We don't have to house any students or anything like that. All we literally do is refer our online teaching courses, and we get paid monthly residual passive income. So last is revenue sharing. And by the way, it's my favorite. So I am affiliate, I'm associate broker with eXp Realty. And through my last 5 years with the company, I've been able to bring aboard lots of high producing agents and teams. Some of the top teams from other brands I've been able to attract to my revenue share program, and that pays me monthly. Truly, it's probably the closest thing to passive income that we can think about. And so this is really boils down to the principle of leverage. You know, when you're out there selling and listing homes or opening up doors for buyers. You literally are trading your time for money, which is okay, by the way. If you're in the depths of sales, I've been there. I know. I've worked the 7-day weeks. I've worked the 14-hour days. When you're able to implement a revenue sharing program into your real estate strategy of your real estate company, I'm telling you, everything changes. You're able to live a life by strategy. You're able to do what you want with who you want, and really even be able to give back to the community in a bigger way. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Please like, subscribe to it, share it with your friends if you think it was beneficial to it. And by the way, if you're interested in more information on any of these 4 passive income streams, just DM me or reach out to me. I'm happy to hop on a call with you and help you with your real estate career. Until the next time, we'll see you at the top or from the top. Thanks.